It is now September 4th. Good morning, everybody. It is my birthday, so I got myself a birthday Tai tea. There we go. It's not a form of meditation. Don't play with my straw. I forgot to say with boba, and I also forgot to say with almond milk, so it's a cheat day too. But that's okay, because it's still gonna be delicious. Can I have my straw, please? Anyway, I'm working on editing the last vlog today, and then I'm also going to be working on the painting over there. And somebody wants to be playful. Hit you with this one. Hit you. Hit you. Ah! I know I'm not helping, but I have other straws I can use. Am I annoying you? Did you give me a lot of birthday cuddles today? Yes, you did. Thank you. I'm gonna drink my drink now. Tastes like Christmas. I washed my hair last night, so it looks poof today. And I'm not gonna deal with it until I go to work. Come on, dog. You know how to lay in my lap. Getting a lot of birthday cuddles today. More birthday cuddles.
And inside my fanny pack, I brought pepper spray, sanitizer, 2 earplugs. I can't sleep without my earplugs. When I camp though, I don't use earplugs because I want to hear what's going on outside.
Good morning. It is, or actually technically it's afternoon now. It's Tuesday the 8th. A lot has happened. A lot has happened, including this. Ta-da! It's all built and beautiful and wonderful. There is a lot of cleaning up to do. Like, I need to put the boxes away. I need to keep them just in case. And then also, gotta do some cable management back here. A lot of cable management back here. But I'm waiting on one more cord because currently only the tablet hooks up or this monitor hooks up. For some reason the computer isn't registering that they're two different things. So we're getting a DVI cable, I believe, and hooking this up to that because the other hookups weren't working for some reason. And also I have a new keyboard and mouse coming in, and then a legit riser. Right now I'm just using the motherboard box. I did record building the computer, but unfortunately, long story short, I rage deleted everything. So, oops. My patience was wearing thin. So, building was fun. I'll say that. It was a lot of fun. I did quite a bit of it, but I had both my dad and the boyfriend there to help me, especially like on this big piece right here. I set it down, and then they put on the fan, and they helped with a little bit more of their wiring, and especially towards the end with like putting in a secondary fan over here and finishing up the hooking up of everything and downloading drivers and all of that. They did that, and then they just helped walk me through putting everything into its place. But it was a lot of fun. And now it actually works and turns on and everything, and whew. I also just walked the dog, so I'm just but I also need to clean up the desk area quite badly, and I want to reorganize these drawers because I'm about to get a new drawer unit. Well, not really about to, but it's going to be similar to this, only I believe it's 4x2, so 8 cubbies, and that's going to go away, and hopefully I'll have storage for most of this stuff then, too, because Mom's giving me her old one because she's getting a new one, and there's a plug right there, so maybe I'll be able to plug my Oh, that's another thing I need to get. I need to get a Bluetooth thing for this. So I still need to get speakers and a Bluetooth adapter thingy. It goes in there, like right there. But yeah, this is pretty much going to be a short vlog, which is fine. Probably just today and tomorrow, so that I can get it up. But today I am working on a commission, getting it finished, and because it's due tomorrow by about 6, I believe he said. But I also need to finish laundry and prep for the week as well, because we got some fruit and everything. So I'm going to do that now while I'm listening to a podcast. Because I'm not going to eat until 2, but it's good to at least get prepped. But yeah, I'm so excited. This thing is a dream. It's so amazing. And I also started playing a little bit of Skyrim, because that's one of the first games I want to stream. So I just got past the introduction part, because it's mostly going to be me running around trying to find the stones of Balazar, I think they're called. The pink mysterious stones that are like in the box and like floating and everything. I'm just going to stream me finding all those, because I haven't actually ever finished that. I've finished the game, I've done most of the quests, but that's the one thing I haven't really ever finished before, and I also don't think I've ever finished the Thieves Guild before. I got close, and then the Xbox died. So I have to restart that, but that's fine too. Yeah, that's mostly one of those games where I'm just gonna be like, I'm just gonna fart around for a couple hours. But yeah, need to definitely clear off the desk a little bit. I couldn't find the breadcrumbs until we were about to leave, so I ended up buying croutons and smashing them up. So they're not as breaded as I'd like them to be, but honestly, that's probably for the best, considering how much I cheated last week. I don't know if I'll have any though tonight or before I go to work, because I'm really craving French onion soup. So I'll probably have some soup and salad before I go to work. And I will have that for dinner, because I pre-make them. That way I can just toss a couple in a pan and eat them as soon as possible.
Onto it that you stick your cords in to where you just got, it's almost like a flexible tube, and then you can just pack that up somehow.
Well, I was scrolling through Twitter. Yes. Good afternoon. It is now the 9th. I just finished up a commission and sent it off for approval. Where are you? Boo, you need to do a better job of cleaning yourself. And I am working on washing up my towels And then I need to go to Walmart today after I work out because they did just reopen up the fitness center here. So I'm going to go in and hopefully nobody's there so I can do a little walkie walk on the treadmill and use the weights. And then I'm going to go to Walmart and get some spray paint, a shower liner, and then see what they have. If they have anything, if not, I'm going to try and find some sort of office place because we don't have a Staples here for some reason. To see what kind of cable management they've got because that back there is nasty. The cable for my secondary monitor is coming in today, so hopefully I can get all that set up, and then I'm also getting a riser for it, so I'm going to spray paint that as well. Weather pendant, of course, because it looks like it's going to rain today. And I has a sleepy boy. Why are you so sleepy? Is the weather getting to you? Are you sleepy? So sleepy. I need a shower, but I'm gonna wait till after my workout, which I should be going to soon. Since I did finish the commission, I told myself I would go work out after I finished it. Because it's on a time crunch. They needed it by 6 today. And I had to build the computer first, so there's that. I also want to edit this vlog tonight. And see how fast it renders, so that'd be cool. I need to do quite a bit of Patreon stuff too, because I have not posted anything in a couple weeks. In a week. It's been at least a week. If I wait till Friday, it'll be a couple weeks, so I gotta do stuff. I decided to just take last week off from anything, because it was my birthday week. But now I need to get dressed to work out and do that and take a shower and get ready for the rest of my day. Right. Yeah. Streaming's gonna be fun with this guy. Oh no! No. I don't know this person. No! Peter! You're an asshole. At least you didn't hit send. Let's just discard that. Thank you. Hopefully the riser I have will let me push the keyboard underneath so that doesn't happen. Ah! Thank you, you butthead. Don't you even. Okay. I'm gonna go work out now. Workout done. I am out of shape. I need to quickly take a shower and go back and fix the commission a bit. I forgot that he was supposed to be getting burned. So I'm gonna add in the burns, and I think that's it. But I need a shower because I'm disgusting. Oh, the fan's not on. No one done. There you have it. Turn on the light as well. Alright, and then after that, we're gonna go to Walmart and get the stuff I need there. Or at least we're just gonna go out for a bit. Ugh. I can't run because I've got really bad knees and it just hurts to run. So I had the treadmill on a very, a steep incline, and I had myself walking fast up it. And it did the trick. I'm out of breath. My knees don't hurt, and I did some weights and my arm didn't hurt as much either, which is good. Because ever since I went to the hospital last year and they did the giant IV, right here hurts every now and then, especially when I'm lifting anything. So after I got past the first round, it stopped hurting, so I guess I just need to use it more. Which, I can do that. Okay, shower time.
But he did show himself. Arranging her board, he glanced back. That he did. And now I'm doing what he wants me to do. I'm thinking of him. And I worry about the people who... And with some artist? Insult to injury. Italy, she added. You say Cobb mainly works in Europe, so odds are the connection... I'm not gonna let him.
Oh no! What are you doing? Hmm? I'm not breakfast. You can't have my breakfast. You have food. Yeah. Are you killing it? Yeah, you're killing it? Till the disgraceful arm. This is my life. Someone keeps taking my chair. Yes. You may keep it for a little bit longer. Because I went to Walmart and got spray paint. I also got trash bags and a new shower liner. I have to clean this up again. And then everything else came in. So I have my monitor stand. So I'm going to build that. And then the keyboard, the mouse, and the cable came in as well. So I'm going to build this, spray paint it because it's stopped raining, I hope. And get my desk set up and situated because it is kind of bugging me. I did go to Office Max and Bed Bath & Beyond, neither of which had the cable management system, any sort of cable management system, so I need to figure something out for that. In the meantime, it might end up just being duct tape, but that's fine. It'll be fine because I'll find something else later, but it's bugging me. So I almost got a pair of speakers, but I'm gonna wait for my next paycheck on that as well because I want to invest in a good pair of speakers. So yeah, speakers, and then I'm getting, for my next order is going to be speakers, a Bluetooth link, which I'm not going to do the chip yet. I'm going to do a little plug-in that you can do, like a USB plug-in, and then there's something else on that list. Oh, USB extension tower thingy. But yeah, because I can't use my printer right now. Alright, I'm going to get this stuff built and set up.